Hooyah! I am Mr. Mogi, the garden gobbler. Welcome to my garden. Today, I've got friends in my garden. Good morning, birds. Welcome to the garden. Aren't they pretty friends? But, oh no! Where are they going? Uh-oh! They are going into the lettuce patch. We love having animals in the garden, but are they really good for the lettuce? Let's think about this, friends. Everyone needs to eat, but do they really need to eat my lettuce? Touche! What did you say? I can feed them bird seeds. It's a wonderful idea. Come on, bird. It's time for your food. Great, friends. Let's feed the birds every day. Look, I love eating the bird seeds. Now, my lettuce can grow peacefully. There are lots of friends to feed in the garden. See you next week. Hooyah!